तो क्या जब प्रॉपर वर्क हो जाएगा मुझे एक बार कर लो। हाँ हो गया। ओके so hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel YourPedia. So friends, first of all I will discuss that ki tomorrow is your exam. For that particular thing, all the best. And one more thing, you can send tomorrow, you can send your questions to our free WhatsApp group, then we will conclude with answers and answer key. Okay, today as you know that session is of 50 reasoning question and 50 aptitude question. We will do that. And also there is, as you know, that the electrical paper is on tomorrow 9 a.m. After that there is mechanical paper is also at that particular time 9 a.m. And then electrical paper, that is electronics communication, sorry, at 1 to 3 p.m. And then there is a computer science paper that is from 5 to 7. So that is all about tomorrow. Now we will start our questions. As you know that 50 question I'm taking from the reasoning topic and the 50 question I'm taking from the aptitude. So we will start one by one. So our first question is, what will become in the place of the question mark in the following equation if plus and minus are interchanged and multiply and divide are interchanged? So the question is कि they are interchanging the signs. So what you have to do, just interchange plus and minus. So if I write this equation, I have to write multiply 5 minus की जगह we have to place, in place of minus we have put plus 431 divide, and in place of plus we have to put this one, and after that we have to also interchange multiply and divide. So what we will do, divide by 5 plus 431 multiply 3 minus 821. That is the particular question. So as you know that in that particular type of question, what you have to do, remember one thing, there is a formula of board mass. Board mass means what? Bracket of, first of all we have to divide, then multiply, then add, then subtract. So first of all we have to divide. So 4515 divided by 5 plus 431 into 3 minus 821. Okay. Now by sequence what we have to do, if we divide it we get 9 and 0 3, 913 plus 431 into 3, what we get, that is we have to multiply this also. 431 into 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9, 1293 and minus 821. So overall what will be the answer? The answer will be, you will get D is the answer. Very good. D is the answer. Very good. So answer is D. Okay. Next question. Next question. Our next question is, that is related to the dice. Sometime there is question related to dice also came into your exam. So in dice question I will tell you the approach. What is the approach? Basically, first of all you have to see the common in these two dice. What is the common in these two dice? The question is that find the letter opposite to Q. So first of all find what is the common in both the dice. If I see the common is what? V. So I have to take V here. That is the approach. I'm taking the approach. You can apply this approach any of the dice question. Okay? Now we know that V is common in both. Now I'm starting with first dice. This is, I'm assuming, second dice. I move in clockwise direction. After V, what I find? Z. After Z, what I find? Q. This first dice is completed. This first dice is completed. Now move to the second dice. After V I get L, and after L I get T. Remaining, which alphabet is still remaining? We know there is a one alphabet, that is A is still remaining. So after that, what you have to do? इसके बाद what you have to do? We know that V is opposite of A, Z is opposite of L, and Q is opposite of T. So V is opposite of A, Z is opposite of L, Q is opposite of T. So what is the opposite of Q? So B is the answer. Very good. B is the answer. So that is the answer. Okay. Move to the next question. This is from the coding and decoding. Very important. Coding and decoding. So the first question is, in a certain code, language name is written as FNBO. Okay. And nano is written as POBO. How will nail will be written? So first of all, my approach is name is written as FNBO. Okay. So we know that N numbering is 14, A is 1, M is 13, E is 5. And here we find F is 6, N is 14, B is 2, O is 15. That is alphabetic order. O we will find on 15th place. So that we have to be learned. ठीक है, आपको भी you have to learn these alphabet tricks. Why? Because by this method you will able to get your answer quickly. ठीक है. Now my approach is I will compare for first digit to first digit, but I am not able to get 14 to 6. It is not possible that much of addition is take place. So there may be chances that the question may start with this approach. 5 plus 1, 6. 13 plus 1, 14. 1 plus 1, 2. 14 plus 1, 15. Clear? So I get the approach. There is a addition of 1 from the last of this alphabet, first of this alphabet. Similarly, we have to take it on the nail also. So nail is 12, 9, 1 and 40. So if I add plus 1 in 12, what I get? 13. And in 9 I plus 1, what I get? 10. And in 1 I plus 1, how much I get? 2. And in 14 I plus 1, how much I get? 50. So 13 means M, 10 means J, and 2 means B, 15 means O. So our answer will be MJBO. Very good, very good. Clear to everyone? Okay. Good. Next question. Fourth. Again, interchange plus and minus and multiply and negative. Divide, sorry. Same approach. What will be the answer? Tell me, everyone. Answer of fourth. Okay, plus and minus are interchanged. Plus and minus, 5 plus 4 multiply 9 minus 80 divide 10. So first of all, as of board mass, what we have to do? We have to do the divide. Okay. Now we can do anything, multiply or anything. 36. So 36 plus 41 minus 8, 33. So our answer will be B. B is the correct answer. Very good. Okay, move to the next question. Next question is related to the mirror image. There are chances that the question may came from the mirror image or water image. Remember one thing, when there is a mirror image, we have to rotate like this. And whenever there is a water image question, we have to rotate like this. Okay? So in this question, if I rotate this like this, what I get? I get 9 and like this. And 3 like this. Tell me the answer. First, 9 I get like this. R I get like this. This is R. f I get like this, t is same, and y like this. So where I found this thing? I found in this B option. B is the correct answer. Very good. Next question. Syllogism. Topic is syllogism. Very important topic. Tell me the answer. Assuming the statement to be true. So first of all, as we know that first of all from statement we draw a diagram, Venn diagram. No card is panel. Parcel, sorry. No card is parcel. All cards are envelope. All cards are envelope. Some envelopes are bags. This is the question. Now, first of all, first conclusion, we have to see conclusion according to the diagram. All envelopes can never be parcels. All envelope can never be parcels. If I see this, yes, that is correct. बिल्कुल सही है. Because all envelope can't be parcel because there are the some cards in it also that can't be parcel. That's why first is true. No card is bag. This is also we will say that true or not true. We didn't have any type of statement in this, so we can't assume it is wrong or right. So unfortunately, we have to take that this is not the correct. At least some bags are postcard. At least some bags are postcard. No postcard is not mentioned anywhere there. So the question answer is only one will follow. A is the answer. No. Two कैसे follow करेगा? No card is bag. No card is bag. Is there is something card and bag relation is given? No. ठीक है? If you are assuming that okay, both the statement are correct, but we can't get that particular answer also. This is not the correct. Next question. Complete the series. करिए इसको. Try to solve this. A. C. I'm taking this. After second number it came here. After that, where he is going? Here. Then here. Then it must be here. So here I also find, here I also find, here I also find. This is eliminated. Now I'm taking the next example of this one. This is in first position. After that it is here, and after it is came down, and after this is here, and after this must be here. So here I found, here I found, here also I found. ठीक है. Now next point is what I have to see that this in first position this is here, in second it is here, in third it is here, and in fourth it is here, and fifth it must be where? Here, no? So here must be triangle. Here I found the triangle, here not, here not. So that is the answer. B is the answer. Clear to everyone? Clear? So B is the answer. Okay. Next. Alphabet series. Question from the alphabet series. UE88, VG84, WI80, XK76. So next will be So UE 88, VG 84, WI 80, XK 76. Next, what will be the next? I will compare first to first. U is 21, V is 22, 23, 24. So next will be 25. 25 means Y. So this was eliminated, this was eliminated, only two options we have. Okay, we will compare next also. E is 5, G is 7, I is 9, K is 11. So adding 2. 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 2, 13. 13 means M. So our answer, that's it. Our answer will be D. D will be the answer. Very good. D will be the answer. Next question. From the syllogism, some tears are drops. Some tears are drops. Some drops are stream. And all streams are river. That is the diagram. Let's see. Conclusion is all tears can never be rivers. First conclusion is all tears can never be rivers. All tears can never be rivers. And in classes I will tell you that when there is that type of diagram, there is a possibility of draw diagram like this also. You know? We can draw two diagram in this: tear, drops, and stream and river. But this first statement is incorrect. He's saying that can never. How can I say that can never? So first statement is wrong. Some drops are river. We find that some drops are river. Yes or no? These are the some drops which are what? River. Okay, this is correct. Next, all tears being stream possibility. Whenever the question consists of possibilities, it is always right. Remember that in conclusion. It is always right. Whatever will be the question. Okay? So our answer will be 2 and 3. So answer will be B. Whenever there is a possibility, then answer will be both. Possibility state conclusion always right. 99.9%. So it is hardly that they put the question related to the possibility, which is wrong. Okay? Which of the following number will replace the question mark in the given series? It came from the number series. Question is from number series. Number series question. So 1, 3, 10, 41, question mark, 1, 3, 7. Give the answer. D. Okay, let's see. So 1 into 2 plus 1, we get 3. 1 into 2 plus 1, we get 3. 3 into 2 plus 1, no. 3 3 is a, yes. 3 into 3 plus 1, we get the 10. Similarly, 10 into 4 plus 1, we get 41. That is the pattern. Into 2 plus 1, into 3 plus 1, into 4 plus 1. So the next will be 41 into 5 plus 1. What we get? 5. 206 will be the answer. So our answer will be D. Next question. Find how many triangles are there in the given figure. First. How many triangles? Six. How six? Four. One triangle is this one. Second triangle is this one. Third triangle is this one. Fourth triangle is this one. That's it. Fourth is the answer. Six तो है ही नहीं. How possible six? Next question from the blood relation. Question from the blood relation. R plus T means R is the sister of T. R minus T means R is the father of T. R star T means R is the wife of T. Let's start this. This is what R divide T होगा ना. इसमें कुछ गड़बड़ हो सकती है, टाइपिंग मिस्टेक हो सकती है, but we will solve it. Try to solve it. Okay. So first of all, I will take this A plus B. A plus B means A is the sister of B. I'm taking female in circle, male in box. We didn't know B is male or female. Now B minus C. B minus C. B is father of C. So B is male. He is the father of C. Next, C minus D. Again, C minus D. C is father of D. Now, D star E. We take D star E now. D is the wife of E. D is the wife of E. These are the husband wife. These are the brother sister. Next, E minus F. E minus F means E is the father of F. Means they have a son F. We do not know he is male or female. And last is F minus G. Again, F minus G means F is the father of G. That is the diagram we draw. Now the question is, how is F related to C? How is F related to C? If we find that C is F's mother father, ठीक है? So if we see that C's daughter's son आएगा यहाँ पे, ठीक है? Daughter's daughter. एक मिनट, have we done some mistake? अच्छा, इसमें वही मिस्टेक हो रही है कैलकुलेटिंग, बट कोई बात नहीं. अगर मैं इसको इसी हिसाब से देखूं तो यहाँ पे क्या लग सकता था? Daughter's son. ठीक है? That is also the correct answer. How is F क्या लग रहा है? C का. How is F related to C? इसमें there is a some mistake in the typing. अगला देख लेंगे क्वेश्चन. Clear? आगे बढ़े. Okay. Coding decoding. Question is from coding decoding. In a certain code language, it's your life is written as oe, bo, ko, and it's your food is written as ba, ko, bo. So how will food be written is? What you have to do in this type of question, try to compare in this and in this. What you find similar? There is two things similar, it's and your. Similarly in this and this, what you find similar? Bo, no, yes, bo and ko. So bo and ko means ya to this may relate to the ko or bo. So food is related to what? Ba. So the Code of food will be bar. Clear? Answer will be A. Okay. Next, complete the figure series. Very simple. Let's see. Here, फिर here, फिर here, फिर here. 45-degree changing angle है ना? Then here the answer will be B. Clear enough? Very easy. Direction sense test. Question from the direction sense test. Remember one thing. In morning, sun will always in east. That means your shadow is in always in west. And in evening time, afternoon time, sun is always in the west and your shadow is in east. That is the factor in this question. Now, Tamanna started walk 6 a.m. On her way, she saw a tree in front of her. She noted that the shadow of the tree was exactly to her left. It is of morning time. We will find that this is the tree and its shadow will always in this direction in the morning. So, but Tamanna noticed that the shadow of tree is in his left. So Tamanna is moving in this direction. Means Tamanna's face in the north direction. Yes or no? This is the left hand of Tamanna. That's why the tree's shadow is in the left. Clear? So the answer will be, what will be the answer? A. Okay? Clear to everyone? Let's move to the next question. One early morning, try to solve this question. One early morning, Mona Shreya was talking while face to each other. Mona's shadow was directly falling on Shreya. We know that it is of morning time. Average one shadow should be there. So their face should be like this. That's why it is falling on the Shreya. Okay? Falling on the Shreya. So Shreya's face in the east direction. This is Shreya. And this is who? Mona's face in the west direction. So what he's saying that Mona's shadow was directly falling on the Shreya's. That is how falling on that. So the answer will be where which direction Shreya facing towards east. Clear? Okay, next question. Next question is again related to that particular area. Chitrashi and Ayan sitting facing each other. If the shadow of Ayan falls to the left of Chitrashi, Ayan is facing on south. Simple as simple. Because Ayan should be this one and his shadow is here because it was of morning time. And it is who facing there? That is Chitrashi. And Ayan is here. And this is the left of Chitrashi. So if the shadow of Ayan is on fall on the left of Chitrashi, in which direction Ayan is facing? Ayan is facing which direction? South. South is the answer. Next. Blood relation. Blood relation question. Pradeep says Vishal mother. Vishal mother is the only daughter of my mother. How is Pradeep related to Vishal? Vishal mother. This is Vishal. Vishal's mother is this one. Is the only daughter of my mother. That is Pradeep. Pradeep mother's only daughter is Vishal's mother. So that means Pradeep and Vishal mother are sister brother. Yes or no? Yes. So answer will be B. B will be the answer. Next. Pointing to a boy, a girl said his mother is my father's only sister. Again, blood relation question. Pointing to a boy, girl said, pointing to a boy, a girl said, this is the girl, this is the boy. A girl said his mother is my father's only sister. Is his father's only sister. So these mother father is his brother sister. These both are the cousins. Mama and Bua. They are the children of Mama Bua. So the answer will be B. Okay. Next. Next question again from the blood relation. Yesterday I defeated the only brother of the daughter of my grandmother. My grandmother means my grandmother. My mother also, after my father's mother, this one, and this is I, who is saying that yesterday I defeated his boy also. I defeated the only brother of the daughter of my grandmother. My grandmother only daughter. This is the only daughter of my grandmother, and brother of that is my father. So who can I basically defeat? There is nothing clear in this question. It may be his chacha, uncle, father, mama, or we can say uncle. So we found that only option is that relate with the, it is B. B is the correct answer. Next question. Ranking order. Question is from ranking order. Radha is younger than Sunita but elder to Rita. Radha is elder to Rita but younger than Sunita. Rita is elder to Geeta. Okay. Sham is elder to Rita but younger than Radha. Okay. Sunita, Radha, Sham, Rita, and Geeta. So, who is the youngest? Geeta, D is the answer. Next. Sitting arrangement, ranking related. Only two people are taller than Q. Okay. Let make a diagram like this. How many these are? 3, 3, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. P is taller than Q, but sorry, only two people are taller than Q. So Q should be here. P is taller than Q, but shorter than O. This is the diagram. M is taller than R, but shorter than S. M is taller than R, but shorter than S. Okay. Only three people are taller than S. Okay. So S should be here, M should be here, now R should be here. And who is remaining? N is remaining. Okay. N is the shortest among all. The height of how many person is between the height of Q and R? 2. A is the answer. Next. There are 6 friends, Aman and Bikram, Chetan, Dhanush, Alisha, Fran and Bikram, each having different height. Only 3 friends are shorter than, okay, kitne 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Only 3 friends are shorter than Chetan. Okay. Aman is shorter than only Dhanush. Next, Frank is shorter than Elish. Frank is not the shortest. So that is the diagram. How many friends are shorter than Frank? 1. C. C is the correct answer. Six people are sitting arrangement question, 2 parallel rows. Okay, these are the parallel rows. Equal distance, ठीक है. S, T, U are sitting in the same row facing south. S, T and U are sitting here facing south. And X, Y, Z sitting in the same row facing north. X, Y, Z. Okay. Now the question is, U sit at the extreme right end of this their row. Okay. Let's suppose U is sitting here and is exactly opposite of X. X should be there then. T is an immediate neighbor of U. Okay, T is here and S is here now. And sit exactly opposite of Z. Okay. Who sit at the extreme right end of the row facing north? X. The answer is X. Facing north. T is an immediate neighbor of U. T is an immediate neighbor of U and sit exactly opposite of Z. Z opposite. Okay. ठीक है. Who sit at the extreme right end of the row facing north? X is will be the answer, na? B will be the answer. ठीक है. Next. Next question. 6 persons are sitting in the 2 rows with 3 persons in each row if E is not at the end of any row. Okay. These are the 2 rows I am making. ठीक है. If E is not the end of any row. Okay. E must be here or here. D is second to the left of F. D is second to the left of F. So F should be here. That's why second to the left of F. ठीक है. C and E sit adjacent to each other. C and E sit adjacent to each other. So if I am not, I have to not take here E, I am taking here and C is here because they are adjacent. And they sit diagonally opposite to D. Very, very good. So he is diagonally opposite to C is diagonally opposite to D. B and F sit adjacent to each other. So B should be here. Who is sitting in front of B? E. E is the answer. Clear? E will be the answer, not D. B is the answer. Next question is related to the 8 people are sitting in 2 parallel rows again, which with 4 people each in such a way that there is equal distance between adjacent persons. P, Q, R are sitting in the same row. Facing south. Here we find P, Q, R, S. Remaining were sitting here. That is which one? L, M, N, O. L, M, N, O. Okay. Now the question is that L sits to the extreme left of the row. So L will be here and faces R, who sits exactly opposite. R is here. P sits second to the left of R. R left should be here. So R should be here. Oh, sorry, P should be here. P is here. Just a minute. P is here. Okay. P sits second to the left of R and is exactly opposite to O. O should be here. M sits at the extreme right of their row. M should be there, extreme right. And is exactly opposite to S. So S should be here. And the remaining one is R, S, Q should be here. L, N, O should be there. Now the question is that who sit exactly opposite to Q? N. C is the answer. C is the answer. Next. Question from the coding decoding. CWE ZFX. Now in this question I'm not getting any relation between C and Z. If I find the relation, what I find that we know that the opposite of C is X, X plus 2 Z. Similarly, opposite of W is D, D plus 2 6 F. So E opposite is V, V plus 2 24 means X. So the what theme is going here, we find that opposite plus 2, opposite and plus 2, that is the theme here is going on. So kill, K opposite is P, I opposite is R, L opposite is O, but we have to add 2 more, P plus 2, because opposite plus 2 is the pattern going here. Okay, 16, 18, that is 20, that is 17, means 18 means R, T means 20, 17 means Q. So B is the answer. B is the answer. Okay, what is the opposite? You have to learn that 2 opposite we can say when their sum is 27. C is 3, X is what? 24. We get total 27. We can say two opposite when their sum is 27. Or you can learn like this: AZ BY by CX Chennai Express, DY drinking DW drinking water, फिर EV love LOVE. So VE is also indirect of both and LO is also indirect of both. ठीक है. E हो गया. F means for you, for you. ठीक है. GT road, GT. So you can find that indirect is always sum of 27. ठीक है. Okay. Next. नंबर सीरीज का आ रहा है क्वेश्चन, सॉरी अल्फाबेट सीरीज का. MFT NIS. So we will compare first with first. MFT NIS PLQ SON S. M is 13, 14, 16, 19 and W is 23. WRJ, what will be the next? Okay. So if we find that in first case it is adding 1, in second case 2, 3, 4, last will be 5. So 23 plus 5 we get 28 and 28 means B. So B in both the cases. So we have to find next one also. So next is, let's see, F is 6, I is 9, L is 12, O is 15, R is 18. So we find 6 plus 3, 9 plus 3, 3 plus 3, so 18 plus 3, 21. 21 means U, but U is also there. So last is T is 20, 19, 17, 14, J is 10. So what is happening? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 5, 10 minus 5, 5. 5 means E. So answer will be C. Venn diagram question. What is the total number of person who has applied for more than one post? These are the person who applied more than one post. Add them, you will get the answer. 10, 18 plus 3, 21. A is the answer. How is C answer? A will be the answer, no? Complete the figure. If I complete it, I will find this, and this, and this thing I find where? In B or C? Tell me. In A is the correct answer. ठीक है. Again from the Venn diagram, solve this. How many men are doctor? These are the men's and these are the doctors. How many men are doctor? These are the area whose men are doctor. 23 plus 24. 47. A is the answer. The position of how many letters will remain unchanged if the letter in word janitor is arranged in English alphabetic order. So first of all, write it as it is. Now arrange according to the alphabet. So first will be A, after that I, because numbering I should start with the numbering. This is 10, 1, 14, 9, 20, 15 and 18. So 1, 9, after that J, after that N, after that 15, after that 18, after that uh, 20, where here we 20 T. So nothing is happening, so 0 is the answer. 0 is the answer. We have a range according to the dictionary. 0. Alphabet series. So X to Y, Y, Z, A, B. B is here also, here also. Okay. 11, 15, 19, 23, 23 plus 4, 27. So answer will be A. Okay? Answer will be A. A will be the answer. A will be the answer. Next, coding decoding again. Silk is coded as TIML. S is 19, T is 20, I 0 add, L plus 1, M, K plus 1, L. That is the pattern. But if we found in insect, there is a lot of letters in this. So I should be plus 0. Similarly, I. N plus 1, M. S plus 1. What we get? N plus, oh sorry, O हो गया. S plus 1, 19, 20, T. E again remain on 0, E. C plus 1, D. T plus 1, U. So you will find that vowels A, I, O, U. In this we are adding nothing. Okay? You will find in I we are adding nothing. Similarly, in I we are adding nothing. So in this language, change, in the change case, A is remain unchanged, E is remain unchanged. So we found in third place A and E is also remain unchanged. So our automatically answer will be C. Clear? Let's move to the next question. Blood relation question. P minus P divide Q means P divide Q means P is the mother of Q. Q multiply R means Q multiply R means Q is the brother of R. Q is the brother of R. That means P is mother of both Q and R. Next, R minus M means R minus M means R is the sister of M. R is the sister of M. M is also the children of P. M plus T. M is the son of T. M is the son of T. So these both are the child of, these are the husband wife. So you will find that the answer, what, how is T related to P? What will be the answer? Husband. B is the answer. Set is coded as 37. Similarly, mix is coded as 35. In this, we can't get 19 plus 5 plus 20. We can't get that 37. So we will see that the opposite of these, as opposite is high school, love, VE, T, GT road. So H is 8, V is vice, G is 7. We get how much? 37. So we have to take opposite then add. Take opposite then add. So what is the opposite of war? W opposite is what? We will do the W. Drinking water, DW, D, AZ, R, R का होगा इंडियन रेलवे, सॉरी, यस, 426 plus 9, so 30, 39, so B will be the answer. ठीक है. Opposite, we will get the sum of two number. When we get 27, they are called opposite. The sum of two alphabet, when it is 27, they are both are opposite. Like BY by, for you, ठीक है, GT road, GT, drinking water, DW, Indian railway, IR, ठीक है, LOVE, LO opposite, VE also opposite. So that are the thing. ठीक है. We will do maths also. After these 50 questions, we will start with aptitude also today. ठीक है. So keep in the session. ठीक है. Next question is, we will do 50 question of this, 50 of aptitude. In certain code language, BEL is written as MKFA, board is written as. So what you find here, what pattern is going on? 12, 12, 5, 2, 13, 11, 6, 1. So L plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1. So pattern is plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1. So similar pattern यहाँ पे कर दो. Blue, 23, 5, 12, 2, plus 1, 24, minus 1, 4, plus 1, 13, minus 1, 1. So 24 is what? X, D, where we find D? Yes, to X, D, M. So our answer will be A. Clear? Sometimes this type of question may come. Shyness, this means boldness, shyness. And what is the meaning of next? PQ means stressed. Delight means khush. D. D is the answer. Coding, decoding. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 2 means B. B is here also, here also. M is 13, K is 11, I, this is I is 9, G is 7. So minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, again minus 2, 5. 5 means E. So our answer will be A. A will be the answer. Blood relation. P and Q. P is wife of Q. Next, Q percentage L means Q is the father of L. L hash R. L is the sister of R. R and K. R is the wife of K. Q is related to R. Father. C is the answer. Tell me the answer fast. फटाफट करिए फटाफट. Do fast. Three and 13, 14, 16 we get here. 16 and 36 we are getting here. 36 and 80, 80, 40, 60, 64, 64. 2 square, 4 square, 6 square, 8 square. Next will be 10 square means 243 will be the answer. I is 9, F is 6, C is 3, Z is 26. Minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, again minus 3. 26 minus 3, 23. 23 means W. W. These are the two options. Now we have to see the second letter also. C is 3, E is 5, G is 7, I is 9. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 2, 11. 11 means K. So C is the answer. Solve this question. In this minus 14 pattern is going on. Minus 14 from D, minus 14 from this, minus 14 from this. So ILU, if we subtract 14, 14, you will get UXG. Okay? UXG. अब you will say that कि sir 4 में से 14 minus reverse में चले जाइए. When I subtract 14, then that means I will get 16. ठीक है? Because we have how many letters? We have 26 letters. ठीक है? So answer will be C. Solve this question. Solve this question. Okay. Plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. Pattern is of plus 2. T plus 2 we got 22. I plus 2 we get 11. Z plus 2 we get B. Z plus 2 again we get B. ठीक है? So similarly for CK, C plus 2, 5 means E. These are the two options. So we have to see that which is different. Second is K. K plus 2 is 13. 11 plus 2, 13. So our answer will be C. C will be the answer. Complete this series. Minus 23, sorry, 25, minus 23, minus 21, minus 19, minus 17, ऐसा चलता जाएगा. So you will find the answer. The answer will be 438. Next question. Fast, बहुत fast कर रहे हैं हम. We are doing very fast. Cow is coded at 7935. Oil is coded as 2568. What is the code of O? We know that common is O in both, and here common is what? 5 is common in both. So code will be the 5. C. Blood relation. How is 5 related to 3? If 5 minus 2 means 5 is the brother of 2. 2 multiply 4 means 2 is the wife of 4. Husband, wife. Next, 4 divide 3 means 4 is the father of 3. So, how is 5 related to 3? Uncle, mother's brother. D will be the answer. Next, where is written as 6314? Where is written as 6314? Where is written as 1438? A का code. So we know that RY is same in this VRY. So same is what 4 is also there, 1 is also there, 3 is also there. So we find the code of what? A. So 8 will be the answer. B is the answer. B will be the answer. Next. Smart people are polite. How many smart people are polite? 90. Last question for reasoning. करिए इसको. Then we move to the aptitude portion. Okay, the answer will be, tell me the answer. A, B, ठीक है, G, 7, okay, okay, ठीक है. Okay, let's move to the next topic, that is aptitude. This is your first question. Try to solve this. Give you 1 minute. A grocery professes to sell rice at the cost price but use fake weight of 870 for 1 kg. So whatever he is giving how much? 870. On that particular thing he will get the profit. I generally said in the classes also कि whenever there is a profit and loss always in the cost price, but when there is a mentioning of quantity, the profit loss is on the what quantity what he is giving to the other person. So he is giving how much quantity? 870, not 1000 kg. And how much he is earning from that quantity? 130. That is the answer. Solve this. Uranium, how is your preparation? First of all, tell me. Tell me, how is your preparation? So you have to go. You have to go. Take it as a picnic, na? And go. Picnic manao. Okay. Next question. फटाफट से करेंगे. We will do very fast. In a circular race, 840 meter. करिए इसको, करिए. Just a minute. मैं 6:30 बजे निकलूंगा. क्या थी उसकी मैं क्लास को वैसे काउंट कर रहा था. 6:30 क्या थी. Okay, let's solve this question. In a circle race of 840 meter, it is speed and distance question. A and B start running in the same direction. They are running in the same direction. And what I say that whenever two persons are traveling in same direction, their resultant speed will be subtracted. Their speed should be this 6 meter per second. So after how much time they will meet, we know that speed is equal to distance upon time. If any of has doubt, please comment. Okay? Then I will explain in detail. Okay, speed is equal to, because tomorrow is your exam, and just why I'm going very fast so that you can prepare well. Okay? Distance is how much? 840, and time we did not know. Speed is how much? 6. So t is equal to 840 by 6. What will be the answer? Tell me the answer. 140 second the answer. Okay? 140 is the answer. How is the C? A is the answer. Next question. R pays rupees 100 to P with rupees 5, rupees 2 and rupees 1 coins. The total number of coins used for paying are 40. So in this question, let 5 rupees coin is equal to X, and let 2 rupees coin is equal to Y, and 1 rupees coin is equal to Z. So total coin, how many? X plus Y plus Z. This is the first equation. How many coins I have? 40. Now, next point is, I have what I have? 5 rupees coins plus 2 rupees coins plus, okay. So 5x rupees coin, 2y rupees coin into 1z rupees coin. Total how many rupees I can have? 100. This is the second equation. You will get on the basically your WhatsApp channel. Okay? Free WhatsApp channel there is, I think. I will confirm after the class. Okay? You will get it. Okay? 2y plus 1z is equal to 100. Now we have two equation. 5x plus 2y plus z is equal to 100. Now from these equation we know that what can I do? Z is equal to 40 minus x minus y. So 5x plus 2y plus 40 minus x minus y is equal to 100. ठीक है. After solving this, what I get? 40 plus 4x plus y is equal to 60. This equation I will get. Now I haven't anything to solve this. What can I do? I can use the value. Let's suppose x coins, 5 rupees coins will be 13. I'm taking x is equal to 13. So y is equal to how much? 8. It is good enough. But if I put second option 17, 68. Can my quantity may be negative? How? It is not possible. That's why other options are rejected. 17, 16 and 18. So our option will be A. Yes, I will share. Do this question. I will tell you where you will get the PDF. Okay. Next question, that is related to the mensuration. So it is related to the volume of cone. We know that volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So we have to take two volume. Volume 1 divided by volume 2, radius 1, radius 2, height 1, height 2. So the question is that the radius of two volume is 2 by 5 and what their volume is this one, 3 by 5. This is cancel out, this is also cancel out. What is the ratio of their height? Okay, we have to find the ratio of height. So R1 is 2 square. So our answer will be 15 by 4. That means 15 ratio 4 is the answer. D is the answer. Next. Next question is from divisibility rule. What will be the value of k is divisible by 6? We know that if a thing is divisible by 6, it must be divisible by 2 and 3. And for divisibility rule of 2, the number should be in even form. Means the last unit digit must consist of this. So, but here both are this type of number. But for the case of 3, the sum of all the numbers should be divisible by what? 3. Now I'm doing the sum of this. What I get? 9 cancel out. 2 plus 1, 3, also divisible by 3. And 4 plus 2, 6 is also divisible by 3. 7, 8, 9. This is also divisible by 3. So what I have to add? Just we have to add 6. So The answer will be B. 6 should be the answer. Just I'm taking again 2 plus 1. Just add that. 7, 10, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 23 plus 4. 27 plus k. That is the question. So we need how much? 3. We need 3, but we can add 6 also. Yes, answer is 6. Okay, 6 will be the answer. Now here what we get? 27 plus k. How much value of k will we place here so that it will be divisible by 3 also and 2 also? If I place here 0, okay, it is divisible by 3 but not by 2. If I place here 2, then it is not divisible by any of these. If I place here 6, then it is divisible by what? Both. 2, 7, 9, 2, 4, 6 है ना. 6 should be there. I'm taking in wrong way. ठीक है. यहाँ पे क्या होना था? Basically, if I take 0, yes, it is divisible by 2 also. Yes, 0 can be the answer. But we have to add something ना. 0 is also the answer. अगर 0 भी करते हैं ना हम, एक बार मैं सॉल्व कर लेता हूं. इफ वी पुट 0 इन दिस, कैन वी एबल टू सब्ट्रैक्ट इट, डिवाइड इट? 1 2 1 7 9 2 4 0 divisible by 3. No, it is not divisible by. ठीक है. So we had to add something, that is 6. Next question from the selling price. I took 2 extra. Let's see where I took 2 extra. 7 or 3, 10, 19, 20, 21, 21 plus 2. Acha, we take 2 twice. Okay, that's the problem. So 25 plus k, na? Yes. So the answer, what would be the answer? If it is 25, so we can take 2. The answer will be A. Okay, answer will be A. Good. Next question is very good. An article is marked at 550. If it's sold at discount of 40%, the selling price become 10% more than its cost price. Then find the cost price. So let's see. Mark price is how much? 550. Discount is given. Now it is of 60% of this because 40% is given discount. It is of now 330. Okay. The selling price now become 10% more than its cost price. So this is the cost price of more 10% more than of cost price is what? 330. Yes or no? So what will be the cost price? He is asking about the cost price. So cost price is equal to 300 is the answer. Clear? Clear to everyone? Option C is the answer. Able to understand everyone? Yes or no? समझ आ रहा है सभी को? Able to understand? फास्ट चल रहे हैं थोड़ा हम. Okay. Equilateral triangle. We know that in equilateral triangle, both sides are equal. So if the two sides are 16, so we have to divide it by 2. So the first side will be 8. So the third side should also be 8. 8, 8, 8. Clear? Next. Simplify. Very easy. C will be the answer. Pie chart question. 54,000 monthly income. Food he spent on food is 23%. Tell me the answer. A will be the answer. Next question. Madhav purchased an item of 42,000, sold it at the loss of 20. He want a gain of 30. Okay, so we know that in first case he is lost, so minus 20. And second case he want what? Profit 30. Plus minus minus. What formula I am using? That is increasing decreasing of, or we can say that successive discount formula I am taking from here. Okay, so how much he is getting discount or anything else? Let's see. Overall 4% gain he is occurring, but he is saying that in the percentage form, in the rupees form. So the 4% of 42,000. 4 to 8, 16. So D is the answer. Okay. You can do with the long method also. Cost price also given, sold is also given. You can use the long method also. You can download it from the description box, PDF. Okay. Age, question related to the age. 7 years ago, let Prachi age is equal to X. Present age of Prachi is X, and daughter let Y. So what we have to do? 7 years ago means 7 years we have to subtract from Prachi also and from his daughter also. Prachi was 4 times as old as his daughter, means if we have to equal it, we have to multiply his daughter by 4. This is the first equation. Now second equation is 4 years from now, means X plus 4, Y plus 4. 2.5 times as old as his daughter. These are the two equations from where you have to solve this, and you will get the sum of their ages will be 69. Clear? Clear to everyone? So these are the two equations, and you have to put the value. Right angled isosceles triangle. We know that in isosceles triangle two sides are same, and hypotenuse we have to find. Okay. So what will be the hypotenuse? So the one side should be 1 by 2 a square, that is the question. And if area is given, area is equal to 1 by 2 a square. Area is how much? 50. So a is 10. So hypotenuse is 10 square plus 10 square, 100 plus 100, we get 200. Now we have to break this also now, है ना? So we get what? 10 root 2. ठीक है? Clear? The answer is D. Good. Volume of cylinder, pi r square h. R is how much? H is how much? Solve this. You will get person earns rupees 16,000 per month, spend 80% of his income. So 80 is his spending. So he is spending how much? 1280 spend. So he is saving is how much saving he has? 320. That is 3200. Okay. So now if his income is increased by 20%. So 12 into 16, what we get? 12 into 16, 19200. 19200. Now his income is 19,200 and expenditure increased by 10%. Expenditure is how much? This one. It is increased by 10%, means 110% of this. These are the expenditure. Is increased, है ना? 0. Clear? Now what he's saying that find the percentage of increase in his saving. So now saving is how much? If I subtract this from this, how much is the saving generally he has? New saving is 5,120 and previous saving is, so we have to calculate on previous saving. How much is the new saving is? 5120. So it is how much we get? 1920. So we get how much? That is 60% approximately. The answer is 60%. Clear? Clear है question? Everyone? Lengthy था थोड़ा. First we have to find the, in first case how much is the spend, how much saving. In second case how much spend, how much saving. Next step we have to see that in the both the case how much is the saving difference. So saving difference is this one, and how much it increase and decrease in one is always on the previous one. So previous saving is this one. Okay. The mark price of an article 26% than more than its cost price. Okay. And if discount is 32% is given, what will be the loss percentage? So again, by that formula 26 minus 32 minus 32 into 2600. So tell me the answer, what you will get. Okay, स्लो करूं थोड़ा, स्लो, चलिए थोड़ा स्लो करते हैं. I'm taking fast because your paper is tomorrow, na? Want fast or slow? Tell me. Okay. I'm doing this pace because your paper is of tomorrow and you are here for the just revising. Okay, tell me the answer of this one. It consists of minus sign at the end and minus 14 point something. That means it is the loss and it is answer is D. You can rewatch it later. This is the formula. If there is a HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. So HCF is 12, LCM is one number 84. What will be the other number? Find this. You will get the answer 48. X is 48. The traffic lights at the three different road crossing changes after 24 second, 36 second and 54 second respectively. If they all change simultaneously at 10:15 a.m., then at what time they again change simultaneously? In that type of question, whenever they put the question related to when they again ring simultaneously, the word simultaneously means it is a LCM question. Okay, so take the LCM of 24, 36 and 54. Take the LCM. What is the LCM? 216. And 216 means how many minute? 3 minute 36 second. So we have to add in this. So our answer will be this one. Yes, legend Burgo Gaming. What are you saying? Okay. Whenever the question related to the three tanker contain maximum capacity, related to the maximum capacity, then you have to find what? You have to find the HCF. Remember that. Find the HCF of this question. I have a method for HCF. What? So take this now, and remaining is what? What is remaining? 403. So 31 is the answer. Clear? So maximum capacity of the container for the diesel of the 3 container is 31. Clear? Everyone? Tell me the answer of this question. Tell me the answer. Okay, so this was given. We have to find the value of that. So what can we do? Can we do like this? Can I write this? Yes, I can write this. Next is squaring both sides. If sorry, no need to squaring. X square plus 1 by x square. Okay, we get this, and so we have x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 25. Now I have to find the value of this. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we know that this one is equal to how much? 25. है ना? This one equal to 25. So 25 minus 2. Sorry, 5 है ना ये गलत हो गया मेरे से. 5. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. That is 3 is the answer. Where it is? It is this. Okay, very good. Let's move to the next question. Why I'm taking so much fast? Because of you, because your paper is tomorrow, so you can fast, revise fast, and you have plenty of time for other things. That is the reason. Ages of the father, let father is equal to x and son is equal to y. This is the present age. So x minus y difference is how much? 15. This is the first equation. And second equation is 5 years ago. X minus 5 is equal to y minus 5. Father is twice as old as his son. These are the two equations. So tell me the present age of father or son. Tell me. First, A is the option correct. दोनों को solve करके we can also use the equation to solve this question also, where I can find that 5 years ago means if the father was 30, then he is 2 times old as his, yes, he is 2 times old than his son. 30 and he is 15, 2 times old. So first option is right. Similarly, 5 years ago, 25, 10. He is not at twice as old as his son. है ना? Clear हो रहा है? Lot of method we have, ठीक है? But now it is a time for fast revision, ना? So first 9 integral multiple of 3, 3, 6. So here what can we do? First of find the sum. Average, we have to find the average now. For this we have to find the sum. A plus last term. We have done it in class. So n is how many? There are 9. First 9. A is 3. L is 27. 135. So 135. Now you have to find the average. So divide by 9. 135 by 9. 9 ones are 9. 15 is the average. A. Clear? Very good. Next question. A income is 50% less than B. B income is what percentage more than that of A? So B, let B income is 100. So A income should be 50 because it is less than B 50%. So he is saying that then B income is what percentage more than that of A. So he is putting how much more than A. So it is the question on A. So we have to take in denominator A, salary of A. And how much is the greater? So 100% is the answer. Always remember what came into the denominator. It is on the on what respect he is putting the question. ठीक है? Next question. A is 60% of A by B क्या हो जाएगा? 5:4. D is the answer. Okay. single equivalent, we have to find out the successive discount overall. So we know that what we do in this 10 plus 10, we have to add 10 again, and what we have to do, $21 is the answer. Clear? Very good. Mark price of an article is given as 50, sold it along or discount of 20. So sold price क्या हो जाएगा 50 का 80%, selling price is this one, selling price is 40 now. Now the next point is if his profit was 25%, profit is 25%, then the cost price of article, cost price of article. So we know that profit is always on cost price, and after selling at rupees 40, so 125% of CP is equal to 40. If you attended the classes, you will able to get why I'm writing this. Okay, because loss and profit are always on the cost price. He is getting 25%. So 125% of cost price is equal to what? Selling price. Because selling price consists of cost price plus profit. So from here you will get the answer CP is equal to 32. There are three discount. Now find the single equivalent discount after successive discount. So we are doing what? Discount. So one is 28%, but this one we have done 28%. Now take other one 30%. So take these two now. What we have to take 28 plus 30 minus 28 into 30 by 100. ठीक है? Why I am subtracting? As you know that key. Why I am subtracting this? Because it is a discount. ठीक है? And it is on discount. If you're not able to understand, you can use this formula also. 100. Let it will be the 100 rupees we have, and we take discount. First we give 90% of this, then it is 20%, take it 80% on this, and if it 30%, take 30%. अच्छा, ये तो सिंगल डिस्काउंट में करना था. ओके 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 ओके, इसमें नहीं लगेगा ये. ठीक है. So how much we getting? 49.6. इसमें भी लगना तो चाहिए 90, 80. Oh, that is 70 na. So 72 into 7, 7 to 14. हाँ लग गया. 50.4 subtracted from 100. You will get again the answer 49.6. ठीक है. There are the two methods. ठीक है. So answer will be B. Clear to everyone? समझ आ रहा है सभी को? Yes or no? थोड़ा सा कमेंट करेंगे. देन आगे बढ़ते हैं. Clear to everyone? Okay. Compound interest. Double means double, 2. If it is triple, it is 3. And it is become 8 times, write 8 here. And if it says that 9 times, if the question is of 3x, it may be the 27, may be the answer of 27 times. Because whatever he gave is first, it is, we can convert that 8 into the 2 to the power 3. Remember that. Similarly, if this question is given in this form, that means 3 to the power 3. Now just what you have to do, multiply this power by 15, you will get the answer. चलो इसको मैं एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूं. लेट मी एक्सप्लेन दिस. मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट डाउट. इट इज ऑफ व्हाट? कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट. सो कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट फॉर्मूला इज दिस. ठीक है. कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट फॉर्मूला इज दिस. नाउ वी नो दैट a sum of money at a compound interest double. Suppose you have a principal P, it become double, the amount become 2P, and rate of interest we didn't know, and in how many year we know that in how many year 15. So we can say 2 is equal to, now he's saying that same money in how many years it become 8 times. So that means your principal become 8P and P is P. So 8 is equal to, now we know that 2 is equal to this. So can I write 2 to the power 3 is equal to 1 plus R by 100 by T. And we know that 2 is equal to what? This one. So put the value of 2 here. Put the value of 2 here. What do I get? So I get 1 by R by 100. When the base is same, compare the power. So T is equal to 45. Now clear to everyone? Clear to everyone? Clear? Very good. Next question. At what rate per annum? So we know that amount is equal to, again, so sum means principal is given. In this I will take some shortcut. You can solve it by this method also. Principal is 1000 given, you can use that method also, that is up to you. But my method is that the difference in these both is principal and amount difference is 102.5. Okay, there is some technical glitch. Okay, let's start again. Okay. Okay. Okay, then this question we are taking some shortcut. How can we do that? First year compound interest and simple interest will be same, but in second year compound interest increases because 5 plus and on this 5 there is, that is the thing. Okay, so that's why it is of first 5% and it is of 5.20%. ये clear है सभी को? Clear to everyone? This method. Now I know that this is 10.25%. 10.25% on which? On 1000. So 1000, how much? I got 102.5 on itself. Clear hai? How much I get? I get 102.5 rupees. So adding 102.5 on this, I get what amount? So that's why my option is A. Understand? Or if you are not able to understand, what you can do, just use this method. Amount is 1102.50 is equal to principal plus 1 plus r is what? R is we have to find, and time is how much? 2 years. So by this method you can also find. So what you can do, square. From here you can also find this. Okay. What you have to do, just squaring both sides. It is of 105 square. Square to square cancel. Now you can solve this. Clear? Okay. Let's move to the next question. We know that whenever the ratio, it is given in ratio, the total part is 5. Add these 3 plus 2. And out of these 5 parts, A is getting how much? 3 parts. Out of these 5 parts, A is getting 3 parts, and total is how much? 1000. That is the answer. Two numbers are in the ratio. Their sum is 60. So now the question is what? Their difference. Their difference, what will be their difference? So one number is X, another number is 180. So what will be their difference? 180 minus 60, 120. A is the answer. Clear? Work related question. solve this. See, 5 men do work in per day 5,250. So 1 man will work in what? Divide by 5250, divide by 5. 5 ones are 5. A man getting how much? 1050 rupees. Now the question is that how many women earning? Woman is earning 5,250. 7 women earning. So divide it by 7. So if we divide it by 7, what we get? 3, 750. So woman is earning 750 each woman. So now he is saying that 7 men and 13 women. We know that each man is getting how much? 1050. So the total man earning is 7,350 plus 13 women earning is 13 into 750. 750 into 13. So add this, we will get the answer. So D will be the answer. Okay? That is the simple question. Time and work question. In this, we know that our approach is A is completing a work in A and B completing a work in 15 days, B in 20 days. Take the LCM. What will be the LCM? Tell me the LCM. 60. So efficiency of A plus B. 15 works, A plus B combining do the work in 15 days, and total work is, this is the total work. I'm taking LCM, that is the total work. So 60 divided by 15, what we get? Efficiency 4. So A plus B efficiency is 4, and what will be the B efficiency is 3. Because if we, how 3? Because if we divide 60 by 20, we get the 3. Okay. Next. So we know that we have to find the in how many days A complete the work. We know that A plus B efficiency is 4 and B efficiency is 3. So A efficiency is how much? 1. A complete one work in 1 day. So how long time it will take? So obvious सी बात है. We know that work is equal to efficiency into time. Work is 60, efficiency is 1, time is equal to 60 divided by 1. Time, how much time it will take? 60. A is the answer. Clear? Next question. A number first increased by 23%, then increased by 23. The number so obtained is decreased by 34. Okay. So what we can do? Let's, the number is 100, but it first is increased by 12%, then it is increased by 23%, and The number so obtained is now decreased by 34. So this is the 66%. That is the number you will get. If you solve this, you will get 91. So original number is how much I will take. I have take 100. Now I have the number is 91. So how much? There is a difference of 9. What is the net percentage of increase and decrease? So what can we do? 9% of decrease. Okay. So 9 is the answer. Clear to everyone? 9 is the answer. Priya sold her scooty. Selling price is gaining is 1/6 of the gain is how much? This is the gain. So total gain I can get 7,094. Now the question is of find the gain percentage. So gain, first of all, cost price will be selling price minus gain. So selling price is, so that will be the cost price, and gain and profit is always on the cost price. So 35470. So gain percentage is always on cost price. How much? So you will get it 20% is the. Next, we know that 5 largest digit number should be this one. So just try to divide it by 47. Whatever will be the remainder, subtract it from, you will get the answer. So here you will get this. So the remainder you will get here is 30. So if I subtract 30 from this, you will get this. Clear? Next question. Let mark price is 100 and selling price is equal to 35, and what he's saying that selling price after 2 successive discount. Okay, 100 is the mark price, and if he gave the 2 successive discount, that means 70 by 100 into 60 by 100. That is also the other way. The difference between selling with discount 65, this one, and selling price 2 is this one, is 105, and overall difference is 7 of what? Cost price. or mark price, sorry, we can say that. So how can we find that mark price? So here we get x is equal to, let 7x is equal to 105 and x is equal to 15. So what will be the mark price? I'm marking it 100, so I have to multiply it by 100. 15, 500 and 1500 will be the answer. What can I have to take? We have to take 100x, 35x, 100x, ठीक है, 42x, then I am able to get this, ठीक है, x value is 52. Clear? 1500 बहुत ही सिंपल तरीके से सॉल्व किया. वी आर डूइंग वेरी बेसिक मेथड. फटाफट से करिए. आई एम टेकिंग वेरी फास्ट. क्लियर हो रहा है सभी को? एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड एवरीवन? हाँ जी, ओके. लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. A plus 1 by A is, so find the value of, so squaring both sides. So our answer will be 140. Speed and distance question. A policeman noticed a thief at a distance of 500 meters. The policeman started running and the thief also started running at the same time. The thief is running at the speed of 5 kilometers. Okay. In 15 minutes, ठीक है, how much distance traveled by the thief distance? Distance is equal to speed into time. Speed of thief is 15. Time we have to take in also in the hours. So the distance traveled by the thief, you can find it from here. Plus we have to add 0.5 also because he is, oh, that is the case of other. We have to take first of all how much the thief travel. That is the distance traveled by the thief, and the policeman covered how much distance? 15, 15, and divide it by 60. What will you get? Conclude करिए इसको. Divide by 60, we get 3.75. Okay. And police distance is 3.75 plus he travel 500 meter extra, so 0.5 also we have to make. So 3.75, 0.50. So police travel 4.25 kilometer. Now the question is that it took 15 minutes. So time is also taken by the policeman is how much? 15 minutes. Okay, now the question is that what is the speed of the police? ये clear हो रहा है? Okay, I will do that. No problem, Vivek. Okay. So now we know that speed is equal to distance upon time. So distance is how much? Time is how much? So just convert it, and what you will get? You will get the speed of policeman 17 kilometer per hour. That is the basic answer. In this question, I can write it like this cube. Similarly, for this also I can write this, and for in below plus. Now what I'm getting here, a cube minus b cube, and in below a square 2ab plus b square. That is the thing I'm getting here. Now what I have to do more? What I have to do more? I can write this. कैसे लिख सकता हूं मैं? I can write it a minus b और नीचे मेरे पास I have in below this one. So cancel this. I have only left a minus b. So what is a minus b? Tell me the answer now. What will be the answer? 0.48. ठीक है. Pipe L fill in 30 hours, M in 45. So first of all, take the LCM. Again, take the LCM. 90. Can I take LCM 90? That is the total capacity of what? Pull. Efficiency is 3, 2. So work is equal to efficiency into time. Work is how much? 90. Efficiency is how much? 5. How much time it take? So 90 by 5. So it will be 5 ones are 5 and 18 hours it will take. है ना? It will take how much time? That is 18 hours. A ratio B is what? 6:8 and B ratio C. B is how much? 5 here. So I know that my method is this. This is the approach. So I get 30, 6 into 5, 30, 40, 56. So what he's saying that tell me the A, B, C ratio. 15, 20, 28. Oh, 96 आएगा ना, अब 48 हो गया. ठीक है. So D will be the answer. ठीक है. Next question. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. So We get x plus 1 by x plus 2 root x into, so we get the answer 47. टू सक्सेसिव डिस्काउंट सिंगल डिस्काउंट में कन्वर्ट करिए. We know that so answer is D. Let Ravi salary be 100x. It was increased by 50%. Then again it was increased by 50%. Find the gain percentage of salary. To 25x and initial it is 100x. So how much increase? 225 minus 100, 125, that means 125%. C, है ना? Very good. Next, a laptop is sold for 54,000 after giving a discount of 20%. What is the price of the laptop? So that is the thing we have to do. So we get how much? 67,500. That is the answer. PQR 9, 12, 18. Tell me the LCM. What would be the LCM of PQR? 36. So 4 is the efficiency, 3 is the efficiency, 2 is the efficiency. If they are working together, so work is equal to efficiency into time. So work is how much? 36. Efficiency is, and time we have to find. So 4, they complete the work in 4 days. So in 1 day, how much they complete? 1 by 4. That is the simple answer. Okay? They complete the work in 4 days, but in 1 day, how much work they complete? 1 by 4. राम रमेश 12 डेज में करते हैं काम. रमेश प्लस सोमेश 15 days. सोमेश प्लस राम 10 days. Take the LCM first. So total is 65 ठीक है, this is the efficiency. If we get the total efficiency, Ram plus Ramesh plus Somesh plus Somesh plus Ram is equal to how much? 5, 4, 6, 15. We know that it is total twice of Ram plus Somesh plus Ramesh is equal to 15. So Ram plus Somesh plus Ramesh is equal to 15 by 2. That is 7.5. This is the efficiency. Now if they are working together, how many days they complete the work? We know that work is 60. 7.5 is the efficiency. Time is this one. So 60 by 7 by 5 into 10. So you will get the answer. The answer will be what? 8 days will be the answer. Okay? 8 days will be the answer. Clear? That is the graph, topic from graph. What is the difference between number of employee of department E and department C? E and C, this and this. How much is the difference? 250. है ना? 120 cube, 100 cube, 120 square, 100, यहाँ पे मिसिंग है कुछ, ठीक है, प्लस 100 square. So again my question is a cube minus b cube. So I can also convert it. So my answer is only in this form, in this type of question. So 120 minus, direct minus कर दिया करो, you will get the answer. Direct 120 minus 100, you will get the answer 20. So the last question is this one. So we have done it very fast and quick. हाँ ए बी आता है, ए बी आता है, वो मेरे से गलती से लिखा गया. इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ ए बी. यस यस, ए बी आता है. दैट इज नॉट द पॉइंट. ठीक है, वो पिछले में भी ठीक कर लेना, मेरे जल्दबाजी में हो गया मेरे से. ओके, दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन, लास्ट क्वेश्चन. अच्छा, एट लास्ट ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर एग्जाम एंड टुमारो ट्राई टू व्हाट्सएप द क्वेश्चंस, ठीक है, टू अस, सो दैट वी विल गिव यू द प्रोवाइड यू द सॉल्यूशन. Again, there is a morning time also for the exams and evening time also for the exam. So all the best for your exam. Be calm, be composed. ठीक है, अच्छे से करना पेपर. Okay, Akhil, what is your name? आदि की जिंदगी. So अब दोबारा से देख लेना. Just we are finishing the video. ठीक है. This is your last question is your. I'm not telling you the answer also. It is up to you. Mukesh. खत्म हो गया. हाँ. नहीं, वो सिस्टम में आपके साथ फोकस करो. तुम मैं जब गैस करने जाता हूँ कोई और. Any question? Any of you? Any question? Tell me if any of you had question. फास्ट तो आप ही के लिए कराया मैंने. No question? Okay. Add string कर दूं location. हाँ जी सर.